My name is Simon Oleporor, the author of the book entitled Why Each Nation and Family Must Pray. This was a revelation by God, although already the contents are in the Bible, but God wanted His people to be reminded. Because in the book of 2 Chronicles 7, from verse 14, from 12 to 14, God says, when I bring a calamity in a country, or shut the heavens, or to release in rain, or to send a plague, or to send a sword, when the people who are called by my name will humble themselves, repent and pray, I will heal the country. So not only the country, even families, where they undergo the same kind of challenges, God will also listen to them when they humble and pray and repent the sins of their families and the sins of their country. But unfortunately, people have over-concentrated on lamentations and blames. Lamentations and blames do not change anything. It is only prayers that can change things. And in the Bible, started with the lamentations and blames. They're blaming her own husband, crying. Nothing changed. But the day she changed to prayers, God answered her, and she conceived Prophet Samuel. Kenya is undergoing a lot of problems. Families are undergoing a lot of problems. Parents are developing a lot of lifestyle diseases because of the condition and the behavior of their children. They are saying all the negative words about their country, their leaders, and their children. Those are not going to change anything. For a family and a nation to change and to see the face of God, they must change to prayers. Prayers move mountains. In the book of Psalms 127, God clearly states, any man who builds his house without involving God is doing a futile game. A parent who builds his home or his family without involving God, without inviting God, is doing a futile exercise. The problems in Kenya, including the loans, will not be solved by limitations. Because a country that has loans, according to Deuteronomy 28, is under a curse. That curse can be defeated by prayers. So every family that undergoing challenges in the nation at large should now embark on prayers, because already we have been given an undertaking by God Himself, who has given other conditions that we repent, humble ourselves, and pray, and the country will be healed. The same with the families, they will be healed. So our salvation isn't in the prayers, but prayers must be genuine prayers. Not those people who are in the church, but they live on the border of Canaan and Egypt. They admire what is happening in Egypt. They also want again to harvest and benefit from the blessings of Canaan. It is not possible. The church will take the lead, because when a country collapses, it shows exactly the position of the church. It is a reflection of the kind of church we have. And this country has been trusted to us to be the watchmen. We are the watchmen of the country, and parents are the watchmen of their children and their families and their economies. May God bless you because of listening. May God bless you because of reading the word, and not only reading, but digesting and reflecting on the word. This book is available on Amazon, and hard copies can be provided on request. Thank you, and may God bless you.